Hey, morning everybody. Happy Australia Day. Australia Day. I don't know how to say that yet. I'm not Australian until February 12th when I become a real Australian.
Oh, put them up. Here we go. Oh!
Grow a mullet, sell the Kia, buy a ute, get some phones. Well, I have phones. So yeah, anyways, sidetracked. Today we are going to replace the Blow Off Valve Solenoid. Which I haven't done on the car because I haven't had any problems with it. And I'm a subscriber to the theory, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Well, I could be wrong.
But I've been reading online that the ECU uses the blow-off valve solenoid to help regulate boost. And if it can't keep up, the stock one, then you change it to this bigger one and it keeps up a little bit better. Hey, good timing, look who's here. It's the Beardmobile.
Ah, the Mirthmobile.
So yeah, we're gonna tear into this in a few minutes and then we'll go for a test drive and see how it works. Stay tuned. So the solenoid, it's gonna be hard to see, but we'll show you later. It's down, it's in there somewhere. We're gonna take the intake out. I'll pull the cold pipe out completely and then we'll be able to show you a lot better. So I shall disassemble the automobile for the 12th time. So we almost got the cold pipe out. That's the solenoid. We're gonna take everything out though so you can see it a little bit better. You just need to make sure you match up the hoses so you know where they're going. Yes.
Right, so now, there we go.
There we go.
Freedom!
If you're ever gonna change the blow-off valve, this is a much easier solution than doing it on the car. On the car, it took me about 2 hours. This took about 15 minutes to pull out and it'll take you 5 minutes to change the blow-off valve. Because you can't get to these two back bolts while it's on the car. So pull the cold pipe out, that's my suggestion. So if you want to use this bracket for the new solenoid, what you got to do is those two metal tabs, squeeze those together with some pliers, and then it will just pop out, and then we can put it in the new thing, and then we'll just have to figure out a way. We'll have to bend those tabs over, but yeah, bracket should work. So new solenoid is on. We've reattached the bracket, kind of ish. So we'll bolt that back up, and then we'll put the last hose back on, and then we'll put it back in the car and see if it starts.
So now it's time to put the pipe back in with the new solenoid.
Yeah, so make sure you got all the lines connected. Let me try and fit the pipe first.
2 hours later.
We'll see if it blows off.
So that's the last clamp on. We'll have a quick check to make sure we've done everything up properly tight. Remove all the tools, quick test drive, and we're done. So the question is it going to start?
Starts, check engine light. No, awesome.
Let's go drive.
Okay.
So we're going to have to warm the car up before we can give it a decent amount of boost, because what we want to really make sure of is that none of these boost pipes leak.
Boost test. Power! Nothing blew off.
So what is that, 15 PSI?
Well, that's, yeah, JB4 off, so that'll be 15 PSI.
We are up to temp now, by the way.
Okay. No check engine lights. Feels smooth. We'll check it later with the JB4. Pull the data log and see what it says. But everything seems so good so far. So maybe all these myths are correct, and the blow-off valve solenoid does help regulate boost. So
also, no big bang. of the boost pipe coming off.
Oh, yeah,
that's not a nice noise when
that's always a win, no. Okay.
Hey, thumbs up.
Nothing blew up. So another successful project on the Kia. I'm going to link the part number below. Like I said, this valve was only about, I think I paid 65 Australian dollars, so much better than 200.
So do you know what model of Ford it was off, or Volvo it was off?
No. But I'll link the thing in the you know, the thing. And then also a preview. Some of you may or may not have noticed that I do have a shark fin antenna on my car as opposed to the stupid one that comes on the hatchbacks.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
There is an issue with this antenna. I'll explain more when I get the new antenna in the mail, because I know a lot of you want to know how to fix the shark fin antenna problem on the hatch. I have a solution coming probably next week, as well the big brakes, hopefully next week as well. Stay tuned. We'll see you later. See ya.